Hello everybody, how is everybody on this wonderful Wednesday evening? Chery Schmidt coming to you live from my granddaughter Josie's bedroom. Yeah, I'm at my son's tonight, and then tomorrow I head to my dad's for the rest of the month. Woohoo! Fun, fun. Well, today is day number 7 of my 14-day challenge, and tonight I want to share a few Facebook tips with you. So, are you ready to learn how to make your Facebook account more attractive? Hello, Mr. Braden. I'm going to call you back in a bit. Okay, yeah, we're going to have the kids help me close out my Facebook Live tonight, okay, guys? So, did you like that question? Are you ready to learn how to make your Facebook account more attractive? Hello there, John. How are you this evening, sweetie? Thanks for popping on. Say hi when you guys pop on, and don't forget to give me some love. All right. Making your Facebook account more attractive, what I mean is to attract more people to you, right? Okay. So, the key to success on Facebook is to brand yourself as a leader. That way people look at you like you are a leader, right? And the first thing that you want to do, guys, is thank you for the love, whoever gave me some love. The first thing that you want to do, guys, is set up your profile, okay? You want to start with a picture. I know a lot of people like putting cartoons. They like putting their animals, their pets, a picture of a cat. No, guys, you want to use a picture of yourself, okay? You know, it's going to be that little small picture. That's going to be your profile picture. You want that to be a picture of you, okay? No quotes, no cartoons, no pets. You want it to be a picture of you, okay? The next one is, you know, going to be your cover photo. That, you know, where you're going to put your cover photo. If you look at mine, you're going to see a picture of me, and I'm hanging out by the waterfall. So you want to, you know, make it a nice picture. You know, you don't want to mention your company. You don't want to have a picture of your products back there. Do that on your business page, guys, not on your profile, okay? You want people to have this curiosity about you. You want them to reach out. The purpose of Facebook marketing, guys, is you want people to reach out to you. Okay, you don't want them to say, oh God, she's with Lime Life. Let me go Google that, and I can find out everything about that. You want people to have curiosity. Hi, Christina. How are you, sweetie? Do you know where I am? Ha ha! I'm by my babies. Yeah. So, guys, you don't want to give these people answers with your profile. You want them to have curiosity. You want to build up that curiosity, okay? The purpose is to get the conversation going, all right? So, use a lifestyle photo. You can be in the pic, or you don't have to be in that picture. Just use the banner, your photo banner, a picture of something with, you know, something nice, something catchy. This, you know, you want something that screams, I'm getting results, all right? Good idea? All right, the next is going to be your bio. Self-explanatory, guys. Make sure everything's filled out. You want to let people know who you are. Don't leave this blank. Don't do that. I know a lot of people do. Don't do that. When people come to your site, they want to know who you are. Like me, I'm a blessed mother, and I'm a grandma. Hi, Peter. How are you, sweetie? Good, I'm glad. I'm going to bring the kids on at the end, Christina, so you can see them, okay? Okay, so, yeah, in your bio, you just want to make sure everything is filled out, okay? So, now, you got all of that. You got your picture, you got your banner, you got your bio, all filled out. Now, you need to know what to post and when. The best thing is to be consistent. I like to start out every morning. I like to post good morning, and I like to have something inspirational, you know. People like to start their day off in a good mood, something positive, okay? You can also do a results post. Let people know how your team is doing, how your business is doing. If someone buys products, give a shout out, give a thank you. Okay, how about a value post? Yeah, something, 5 Facebook tips, some kind of tips. Questions get a lot of engagement, guys. So if you can find some questions to use, good choice. Lifestyle, also another one of my favorites. I love to share pictures of my grandbaby and my family. So, you like those tips? Okay, guys, here's a very good tip for you, okay? Before you start posting on Facebook, I want you guys to go over and give some love. Don't just hit that like button. I want you to hit the love button, okay? And engage with 20 to 25 people, okay? And leave a comment. You know, it can be anything. Just be nice, guys. Give value. If they ask questions, answer them. Play their games. People love to engage. How about doing a Facebook Live? Woo! Yeah, that's how you guys are going to start getting attention, all right? Yeah. So, if you want to learn more about Facebook Lives, guys, Brayden, just come on, grab your sister. If you want to learn how to do more Facebook Lives, reach out to me. I would love to share. I've got tons and tons of tips for you guys. And I'm going to close out my live here tonight with my kids. All right, here we go. Here's my Josie girl. Hi, and Brayden. Say hi, guys. Yeah. Say hi. Can you say hi? Say hi, Brayden.
You always wanted to be in.
Say hi, Brayden. This is Brayden.
His first
live. And Josie girl. It's her first live too. Well, guys, thanks for popping on, and I love you guys. And yeah, Day 7's complete, and I look forward to seeing you all tomorrow. So, guys, if you want some Facebook Live tips, Jasmine says hi. Say hi, Jasmine. Hi, Jasmine. Yeah, if you guys want some Facebook Live tips, be sure to shoot me a message. Say hi, Josie. Say hi. I'd love to share them with you guys. All right, with that, we're going to say goodbye. Say bye, Josie. Say bye, Josie. Say bye. Bye, Brayden. Say bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, everybody. Have a great evening, and I'll see you all tomorrow.